Trevor, you have a cold?
I do.
You have a cold, okay. A lot of Christmas, huh?
Yeah. Too many treats.
Too many treats. Yeah, too much sugar will interfere with your immune system, kind of paralyze it, but then also sometimes we have a lot of stress. And when you get adjusted, it helps reset that immune response good. Balances your autonomics. Okay, let's go ahead and sit up for a moment. Face me. It's a little swollen up here too. So we're going to come and right there. Good. And I'm going to come over on this side.
Sorry, turn.
And just a little bit, just pull through. Good. Those shoulders. Yes. Shoulder up. Right here. Good. Okay, shrug those shoulders. There we go. Get the lymphatics flowing, balance the nerve system, powers on.